Recession 2022. Reasons behind the market crash. When did the recession begin? What is a recession? A recession is a period of time when the economy experiences a slowdown in growth. The slowdown can be caused by an increase in unemployment, a fall in consumer spending, and/or an increase in the price of goods and services. The United States has been experiencing economic recession since 1854. The Great Depression was one of the most significant periods of an economic recession that the country has experienced. There are three stages to an economic recession. In an economic recession, the production of goods and services falls below expectations. This causes unemployment rates to rise, which in turn causes a decrease in consumer spending. This is when there is a decrease in investment and consumption as well as an increase in debt. Is there a connection between recessions and stock market crashes? Recessions and stock market crashes are both economic events that can have a significant impact on the global economy. However, there is no clear connection between recessions and stock market crashes. A recession is defined as a period of time when an economy contracts due to a lack of aggregate demand. It is characterized by high unemployment rates, slow business activity, and low levels of spending. A stock market crash is an event that leads to a sudden drop in the value of stocks in general. They are often caused by panic selling or overreaction to new information. The future of Wall Street in Recession 2022. The recession of 2022 hit Wall Street hard, as it did in many other places in America and around the world. With some companies going bankrupt and others merging with competitors, there was much uncertainty about what would happen next on Wall Street. According to Bloomberg, the S&P 500 index had fallen to 1,600 on March 12, 2022. Conclusion: the stock market in Recession 2022 isn't looking good. The recession of 2022 will be a time when people have to make hard decisions about their life and finances.